What's the meaning of baking sheet? Baking sheet. Baking sheet.
Baking sheet. Baking sheet. A baking sheet, also known as a cookie sheet or sheet pan, is a flat metal tray used for baking in an oven. It typically has raised edges on all four sides to contain and prevent food from slipping off during cooking. Baking sheets are commonly made of aluminum or stainless steel, and come in various sizes and thicknesses. They are versatile kitchen tools that can be used for a wide range of baking tasks, such as baking cookies, roasting vegetables, and toasting nuts. They are also easy to clean and maintain, making them a staple in most kitchens.